A serious emphasis has been placed on the inadequacy and leniency of a sentence in a sexual assault case involving a minor. Attorney General Dashan Ramdani says it is symbolic of the appeal made by the Commissioner of Police through the Director of Public Prosecution. He believes this is the first for Grenada and the OCS where an appeal by the prosecution was made in such a case. The Attorney General admits that this sentencing has raised serious concerns, while highlighting that the maximum sentence for a summarily charged indecent assault case is 5 years imprisonment. Ramdani adds that the other important questions that have arisen from this sentence can only be answered by the judicial system.
The complaint on the appeal is that this sentence is manifestly inadequate. Essentially, that this was not a case for such a sentence. The complaint on the appeal really is that the exercise of discretion and the approach of the sentence was unreasonable and inappropriate. And as far as the inadequacy of the sentence is concerned, it is now for our Court of Appeal that must answer that question.
During the appeal, he says, the opportunity will be given to listen to the rationale of the magistrate for the sentence. He highlights the possible outcomes of the appeal.
It is quite open to the Court of Appeal to impose a sentence throughout the fine that was imposed, the $1,500 fine, to say that that fine was inappropriate, a bad exercise of discretion, and to in turn impose a sentence of imprisonment. Now, if that is done, the offender was served with papers, I understand, before he left the jurisdiction, the appeal papers. Regardless, however, once the Court of Appeal makes a ruling which includes a sentence of imprisonment, then it is expected that the offender will return. But if he does not, and let me go quickly to that, if he does not, we have powers of extradition, which relates to persons residing in America, in fact for most of the world today.
The AG1 probe also confirmed that the recent sentencing guidelines, which became effective on October 1st, do not cover sexual assault at this time. Joseph Kador, GBN News.